Right, we're here today to do this Victorian tile floor. There's a lot of plaster on the floor, cement, all sorts. It's heavy soil as well. So we're here to restore this Victorian tile floor. See how grubby and bad this is, and yeah, but we'll show you them when we finish this. What it's going to look like, and it should look really good. This floor on the first, but we'll show you the process anyway. Okay. Right, this is the Victorian floor in the hallway we just finished restoring. Now you can see the difference. We've got on the floor, we removed all the paint bits, scrap, everything. So that's the floor, it's been restored and it looks like brand new again. So if you have a floor like this and you know what to do, we think it cannot be restored, yes, we can restore it for you and make it look like brand new again. And this is ready to be sealed, okay?